This 2025 Airstream Rangeline is a Class B RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Airstream is 20 feet 11 inches in length and features a Moonstone Grey, River Oak interior, sleeps 2, auxiliary battery, external shower, air conditioning, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, awning, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, microwave, skylight, and 28 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2025 Airstream Rangeline is built on a ProMaster 3500 chassis and is powered by a Pentastar VVT engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.